for the Royal Rumble with number 15 on his way. And it's the Swiss Cyborg, Cesaro, for the 5th time in his career winning the Royal Rumble match. Cesaro, former, oh my goodness, Andre the Giant Memorial Battle Royal winner. The Swiss Cyborg can absolutely surprise everyone. And again, later on tonight, Sheamus and Cesaro to face Rollins and Jordan.